Now in this instructional video is coming to an end, so we're going to show you a bit of the settings. First, we're going to close this edit zone and click the settings tab at the top.
By clicking this tab, you can control your account, like your nickname, your language, time zone, and other settings like connectivity with Facebook, Twitter, and other accounts. You can also change your picture, upload a file, change your plan, view your payment history, your passwords, email, connected applications, your API key, and developer for applications. You can go back to your diagram simply by switching tabs at the top.
You can also see if you go to a diagram, I'm just going to choose this one about cats again and edit it in the edit zone. Once it loads, you'll see that there's also the share button up here that I talked about briefly. If you click on this, you can also invite users. When they get invited, they'll get an email that sends them a link to your either shared folder, or if you want, you can also send them the link like I showed you before. And if they're both online, you'll be able to edit in real time and have a chat.
Once you've made a lot of mind maps, you can organize them in different folders to organize them.
By doing this, first click the folder button right here. You can create a new folder by clicking this button, name your folder, and clicking OK.
To place some diagrams in the folder that you just created, click the Settings button in your diagrams, which is here. Click the arrow and select it to move to your folder that you just created.
You might have to move down a bit.
So now your mind map is in the folder that you just created, and you can check by going to it. See?
Now, if you have lots of diagrams, they're quick to access. You can edit a folder by moving your mouse over the folder name and clicking that arrow down below. You can edit the folder name or delete it completely.
But if you choose to delete this folder, don't worry, all your diagrams won't be deleted. They will still all be in the All section up here.
Now I'm going to show you how to share a folder. Shared folders are very similar to regular folders in that you do the same action to add a folder, like this folder that I've already made, except you can share it.
But the difference is that a shared folder, you can share it with other people who you invite, like people that you know. By clicking the edit button, you can add email addresses that you know, add an invitation message, and then invite them so they can see what's in your shared folder.
They will receive an email and then they will be able to see all of your shared folders.
If you want to remove people from your shared diagram, click the edit button over there and remove the person by clicking the email and pressing the X. So now they're deleted from your shared folder.
Don't worry, you can also re-add them by just inputting their email address again. Some other functions of Cacoo is changing the view. You can change it up here, like from a thumbnail list, a very large thumbnail view with many pages, a medium thumbnail view, or a very small thumbnail view. You can also change how the diagrams are arranged by the updated from first to last, which is this, or last to first by clicking this arrow. You can also change it by the title, the up or down, alphabetical or the opposite, by the owner, or by the folder.
By clicking the setting button outside of the mind map, you can copy the diagram, move it to the recycling bin, move it to the main folder, or transfer the ownership to someone else. If you move it to the recycling bin by accident, click the recycling bin on the left button and find the diagram.
And click to restore to your main folder.
If you like, you can also empty the recycling bin while you are at the main page. You can also search.
You can also search for your lost diagrams if you have very many of them.
If you click the title in the All page, you can also edit various things. By clicking the gray bar with the title, you can change the title, description, or security.
By clicking the All and then clicking a diagram, it will transfer you to this page. If this Java bar opens, you can always just unclick it. The angel and devil can also be changed, which is the title. You can start editing it, have the edit full screen, link this, show the history, which is only available for when you pay for it, export it, or choose the other diagram actions that you can do from the main page. To go back, just press this button right here. If you ever need any help, you can just scroll down and click the FAQ button to see if the Cacoo people can help you by asking some more of your questions.
You can also contact them if needed on the same place at the bottom of the page.
This will just send them an email, and then they will get back to you.
Sadly, we have come to an end of our instructional video about Cacoo. Thank you for viewing our screencast, and we hope that you learned a lot about Cacoo. There are so many other things that we couldn't show you, just because it would take way too long.
We hope you use Cacoo in the future and see its amazing capabilities. Thank you for visiting.
Bye!